Here I am on Salt Spring Island, 2018, actually it's February 1st. And here are the avocado trees, some of the avocado trees I have that are growing at about, they'll drop down to 1 degree, but mostly I try to keep them at a minimum of 4 degrees. These ones are just developing their flower buds now, and you can see here, right here, where the avocado cukes were. They're the little tiny ones, they're about this big. You can't see them now because I've eaten them all, but they produced fruit about that big, and some of them were like double pieces together, and they were absolutely delicious. I had more this year than any other year. These trees have been in here for 4 years now, so they flower every year, but they actually don't set that many fruit yet, and every year I'm excited because it seems like I'm going to get more because they are covered with flowers. 2 years ago I brought in bumblebees for pollination, and I didn't get very many fruits, so last year I decided just to hand pollinate everything myself, and I got way more fruit, but I did only get one large, fully pollinated fruit. I have gotten one big one every single year, but there were a lot more cukes. But I am hoping that's just something to do with maturity. This year, because the plants are that much older and more established, I will bring in bumblebees again because it's too much work. Because there are thousands of flowers on every plant, and then as you know there's the A, B, so you're always trying to get the A and the B covered, and so anyhow, bumblebees will do it this year. This is a jujube. It's a deciduous, so it's dropped its leaves, and it's prolific in here. So I want to show you the full-sized plant. This is another variety. This one is Holiday. That one is Stewart. This one is Bacon. This is Bacon. And this one here has the full fruit, which you can see here. And it's really heavy. It's already feeling like, you know, it's mature, but it has a while to go. And so that's pretty exciting. The fruit that I've taken off of here is exceptionally nutty and creamy. That's what everybody who's tasted it has said too. It's not just me. So anyhow, that's where it's at right now here on Salt Spring with this greenhouse.